What's up, guys? This is Chandler with Backwoods Grill, and today we're going to be cooking up two of my favorite things together, pizza and a Smashburger. So stick with me, fire up your grill, and grab a drink. Alright guys, so for this meal, you're going to want to grab some pizza dough. You can either get pre-made pizza dough or make your own, doesn't really matter. Also, you want to grab some ground beef and some ground hot Italian sausage. Also some onions, some romaine lettuce, Parmesan cheese, pizza sauce, and pepperoni. And that's it. Alright, so let's get going. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to do is make our buns slash pizza. So you want to get some flour, spread it out, and then we'll start pushing down our pizza crust. You want to make these about the size of a hamburger bun. Now, you don't want to do too big, that way you don't have to make too big of a patty for it. You want to just flatten them out as much as possible. If you make them too thick, they won't cook all the way on the Blackstone, so do them fairly thin. So once those are flattened out, you want to spread some pizza sauce on there, and then some mozzarella cheese, and we chose pepperonis for our topping, but you could choose any kind of topping you want. While you're doing all this, you want to get your Blackstone heated up to about 375. That's how you cook these pizzas. You'll also want something to cover up these pizzas so they cook kind of like an oven. Also keep an eye on the bottom of the pizza. Make sure they're not getting too burnt on the bottom. Once those are done, go ahead and take them off. Then it's time for our Smashburger. So we combined hot Italian sausage and ground beef into one patty. Gives a little bit more of a pizza flavor. It also turned out really well. So smash these down. I prefer smash patty. You can do any kind of patty you like, but my favorite are smash patties. Alright, now it's time to build. So you got your bottom pizza, some Parmesan cheese, lettuce, onion, your first patty, then you want to do some pizza sauce, another patty, and then some Parmesan cheese, and then your top pizza. The Parmesan cheese on top. Alright guys, there it is, the pizza burger, and I'm very excited about this one. Remember to like and subscribe. Let me know how I'm doing. With this burger, we're going to pair it with a brown ale. That goes really good with the pizza part of the burger. There we go. Let's dig in. I don't even know how to get at this thing. That's really good.